Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial guide on how to set up your Meta business account and also an overview of the business manager. Firstly, doing this on your phone, you need to do it via a browser, not the Facebook app. You can use any browser, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be using the Chrome browser. Now let's go over to Chrome. Firstly, you need to be logged into your Facebook account. So head to Facebook and make sure the account you intend to set up is logged in. Before you head over to the business website, you need to change the view of your browser to a desktop view. To do that on Chrome, you tap on the top right corner, which is the menu, and activate the desktop site view, which is this. Click on it, you are good to go. The business website is business.facebook.com. Once it is open, you should see this if you have created your page before heading to the website. But if you haven't created your page, it will prompt you to go through some process of creating an account in the business manager, but that's fine. Once your page is created, you are good to go. Now, to create your business account, all you do is at the top right corner where your business page name is, click on it, and then you see create a business account. Now click on it, and the prompt to follow the steps of creating your business account is popped up just like this. Now you type in your business name, whatever name you intend to use for your business. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using the same name as my page. Your business name can be different from your page name, but I see no reason why your business name and your page name shouldn't be the same. Now click next. It prompts you to fill this second form: your name, your surname, and your business email. As simple as that. Note that your Facebook name and the information you put here should be the same. Then you input your business email. You can create one if you do not have. After the form is filled, click on create to complete the process. If you have a page created before you started this process, it will prompt you to either affiliate the page to your business or skip. If you do not have a page created yet, this step would be skipped. You won't get to see this step. Because I already have my Facebook page created for this business, I just have to click on it and next, having the page connected to the business account. This is the next step afterwards. It says add people. If you have someone you want to add to your business to manage your business account, you can add them here. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will skip this part and show you how to do that when the account is already set up. Next is reviewing every information that you've just imputed in it. Once you are sure every information is correct, click on confirm. Your business account is set up now, and you can go over to the business account to manage it. How you do that is by clicking the top right corner. Now you can see you have the business account and the page affiliated to the business. There's a setting icon beside the business account where you can just click and it takes you to the business settings page. This is the basic business settings page. For you to go over to the advanced settings page, all you need to do is click on the settings logo. You can pinch zoom, click on the settings logo, and it takes you over to the advanced business settings page. You can close this prompt. You don't need any walkthrough. Now you also need to verify whatever business email that you put in the business form while creating your account. To do that, head over to your email and you will see an email from Facebook. If you don't get an email from Facebook, please click on the menu and go over to important. You see Facebook right there, and then you say confirm now. Now if you look down here, you see your email has been verified and you are good to go. Every navigation you need to make any settings on your business account can be found at the left corner. Let's pinch zoom so I can explain as much as possible. Now you can see they are grouped into user, account, data source, brand safety, registration, integration, payment, security request, notification, business info, setup guide. Now I'll be touching on the most important ones. Firstly, user. Now within user you see people, partner, and system user. And in these people you can add people to your business account and assign them to work for you, giving them access to all or certain aspects of your business. Same goes for partner, but instead of adding them as people, you can add them as partners and assign certain assets to them. The most important ones is the people and partner. Once your account is set up, for you to advertise on Facebook, you need a payment mode, and your payment mode is within the account section. Now when I click on the account section, you can see the pages, add account, business assets, apps, Instagram account, WhatsApp account. What we are going to set up next is your ad account. This is how you make payments for your advertisement on Facebook. Facebook ad account is like your bank account on Facebook. So now to create a new Facebook ad account, once you are clicked on the ad account section, click on add and create a new one. So you click on create, write your ad account name, preferably same as your business name and your page name. This is for differentiation purposes. People like me who manage different accounts would have it easier to differentiate those accounts with different names. After writing your ad account name, the next is changing your time zone. I am Nigerian and the time zone used for Nigeria is Lagos, so I will be scrolling down to look for Lagos, and here it is, GMT plus 0100 Africa/Lagos. Next is your currency. Whatever currency you decide to use for your account is up to you. So Nigeria, here the naira is here, and then click on next. Click on my business and create. You'll be prompted to add people who you wish having access to this ad account and whatever type of access you need them to have. Definitely you will need to connect yourself, so click on your name and turn on all this access, then click on assign. It's going to prompt you to add a payment method. You can skip this. For now I will just close it and I will show you how to add funds to your account, making it a prepaid account. At this point the whole setup is done. Now if you want to connect your Instagram account to your business account and also your WhatsApp account, all you need to do is go over to the Instagram section, and here you see add account. It will prompt you to log in your account. You log in and it will get connected. Same with the WhatsApp, although WhatsApp is a little bit different, once you add your number, they have to send you a code which you then punch into the authenticator, and your WhatsApp would be connected. If you want to add people to have access to your business account without giving them your login, which is very, very important, no one should have your login, you can come over here to the people or the partner, depending on which you prefer. Click on add, punch in the person's email. Now the person's email should be whatever email they use for their Facebook account, not their business email, except if their business email was used in opening their Facebook account. That's fine. So for the purpose of this tutorial section, I'm just going to add this account here and give the person admin privilege. Click on admin, and you decide whatever privilege you want to give to the person, whatever access. You can click on the advanced option and select other type of access you would like the person to have, and then click on next. Then you also need to give the person access to some other assets like your page and your ad account. If you want the person to have access to those, you decide what you want the person to have access to. So I'm going to select my page, and I will turn on all these access down here. I turn on full control. Once again, you decide whatever access you want the person to have. If you decide the person should have limited access, that's your decision to make. So next is the ad account. So this person should also have the ad account access to be able to use that ad account and make advertisements for me. So I click on the ad account, and the full access is already selected. Then I say invite. An invitation will be sent to the person's email, and when the person accepts this invitation, he or she would have access to this business manager and will be able to make advertisements or make changes or whatever control the person needs to improve or better your business account. So that's the essence of assigning people to your business manager. At this point, every setup that is needed has been done for this account. We created the business account. We assigned an admin to manage the account as well. We created the ad account for payment. Next is how to fund your account, which I will explain in another video. And we've come to the end of setting up your Facebook business account. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for subsequent videos, very informative videos to everything you need to know about Meta advertisement.